In 1970, our community broke ground on a dream. A school built not just of brick and stone, but of vision and opportunity. From the cornerstone to the first graduating class, North Montgomery was founded on unity, pride, and a commitment to excellence. For over 50 years, North Montgomery has been the heart of our community, a place where generations of students have learned, competed, created, and grown. Our history is rich and our traditions are strong.
It was an exciting time. People were excited about it.
Culture shock coming from a little bitty school to a massive school that everybody got consolidated into.
You know, it wasn't a rivalry at all. We came together as North Montgomery Chargers.
Game nights, the gym was completely filled.
When that team would come out of the locker room, it was deafening. I mean, it was just absolutely deafening.
It was Charger all the way. Everybody wore the blue and orange. I mean, you had Charger pride.
But North Montgomery is more than its past.
North Montgomery to me meant being the stepping stone into adulthood. After I crossed that stage, it was time to start the next phase of my life, which in my case was going to college.
It's a place where opportunity meets innovation, where students are challenged to think, to lead, to create, and to achieve.
It's a testament to how great this school is that I would want to come back and teach, because of course if I didn't have a good time the first time, I'm sure I wouldn't have wanted to come back.
In the classroom, in the arts, on the field, and through countless activities, our students are discovering their passions and preparing for the future.
Well, I was involved heavily in choir and theater when I was here. Anything and everything of those events that I could.
I would say at North I'm most involved in our band and theater programs, so a lot of the performing arts. I'm also a student ambassador for Youth Civic Engagement Council, and I'm involved in Ethics Bowl, and I'm also a co-president of the Bring Change to Mind.
Just started cross country this year, but band is probably my biggest activity.
North Montgomery is always creating new opportunities to grow.
We are continually trying to move into more experiential opportunities. Our elective options as well as pathway options ebb and flow with where the student interest is, and so we really want that driving it.
Teachers and staff walk beside them, guiding and encouraging every step of the way.
Mrs. Ireland, with her being my advisory teacher, and I've also had her for a year in middle school, she also helped me get through some difficult things. Sometimes I'll just talk to Mr. Simpkins because he cares.
North Montgomery is more than a school. It's a community, a family, and a promise. From our foundation in the past to the opportunities of today, we are building the future.
Community.
Family.
The culture of it.
Connection.
Good place, as I say, in which to grow up and to learn to be involved.
I think mentorship, that's something that, whether from students or teachers, I've noticed a lot of. It's impacted me in my high school career a lot. Mentorship.
It's changed, but it hasn't changed. That's what I like about this community.
I would say the spirit and the sense of unity and just being a team.
I mean, I spent 4 years here, first freshman class in here, graduated from here 50 years ago, and then I've had grandkids graduate from here. I mean, I just love this place, I really do. It's still my heart and soul.
This is North Montgomery.